Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we are going to look at a shotgun recoil pad made by CIAVIS. If you've ever been out shooting shotguns, you're going to find out that your shoulders get extremely sore. Whether you are left-handed or right-handed, it is going to actually make that shoulder sore. Now this pad helps take care of that because it is a nice little lightweight pad that can go from right to left. So it works on either. It's bidextrous basically, so it'll work both sides. It is also unisex, so it doesn't matter whether you are male or female, this will work because it is fully adjustable. Now, as far as the way this is made, one of the things I'm going to tell you I like right off the bat is the clasp. So you can undo this right here. It's a military grade like clasp that will break apart, and you can adjust it right here at the end with a strap. But being a military grade metal clasp, it's going to last a very long time, and it goes together really quick. So all you're going to do is simply slide it in and boom, it's there. So let's look at the construction. It's got a very nice, padding on the inside, and the material, it looks like it's more of a wicking type material, so it will probably pull a lot of that sweat away from you. And I'm looking at stitching. So what they've done is they've taken a piece of fabric that goes all the way around the edges, and they stitch clean through both sides. So you have a really good hold on this. So it's not going to come apart real easy. They stitched the strap in for the other part of the buckle really nicely. They did all the way around and the cross stitch in the middle. And let's see how they actually attached your Velcro. Velcro looks really good. Don't see anything pulling apart. Looks like it is fully actually stitched. Sometimes I'll find these and they'll just be glued on, and that's usually the first thing that comes apart. But these look like they are fully stitched. I can see the stitch lines going all the way down and around. And let's look at our straps. Same thing on the other side. It has the stitching going all the way around in the square, and then the cross stitch in the center. Buckles look great, and the end is done very well. Fully adjustable. Yeah, it looks actually really good, guys. So overall, I think the construction is great. It's a lightweight material, not going to be too heavy. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think they made a very simplistic but yet very durable and long-lasting product that you'll probably use, because if you get some of these that are a little bit more complicated and not as simplistic, you're probably not going to use it because it's a pain to figure out and use and put it on every time. I can put this on in a matter of seconds and I'm rocking and rolling on down the trail. So if you're looking for a really good shoulder pad for shotguns and even rifles for that matter, anything that has a kick, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.